Have you ever stopped to really consider, if a woman can actually chase you? Or is that just a myth perpetuated by outdated social norms? It's a question I get all the time, and it speaks to a deeper shift in how we perceive relationships. For years, tradition said men must always pursue, always initiate, always be the one to make the first move. But that's changing, thankfully. The old rules are crumbling, making way for a more balanced and authentic dynamic. The truth? The real, unfiltered truth? Yes, absolutely, a woman can and will chase a man who truly intrigues her. Someone who sparks her curiosity and captures her attention in a meaningful way. But it's not about playing games, trying to manipulate or deceive, or tricks. No smoke and mirrors here. It's about becoming a man of high value, a man who embodies certain qualities that naturally attract. Someone so compelling she feels drawn to you. Someone she genuinely wants to get to know better. She's not chasing out of desperation or because she feels like she has to, but genuine admiration. A true appreciation for who you are as a person. A woman invests in a man who has his life together, who is actively working towards his goals and dreams, who's secure and has direction. A man who knows where he's going and isn't afraid to lead. The chase isn't a game. It's not about manipulation or control. It's a natural response to someone impressive. It's about recognizing and appreciating genuine quality. So stop focusing on proving yourself, on trying to be someone you're not. Build a foundation so strong, a life so fulfilling, your presence alone is magnetic. That's the key to unlocking genuine attraction. Shift from, how do I get her? That desperate, needy energy is a turnoff. To, how do I become the man she wants? How do I evolve into the best version of myself? That's where the real magic begins. That's when you'll find that attraction happens effortlessly. Before confidence or humor, attraction starts with self-respect. If you don't respect yourself, why should she? Self-respect means setting standards for how you're treated and how you treat yourself. A man with self-respect doesn't beg for attention or tolerate poor treatment. He has boundaries and isn't afraid to enforce them calmly. Show her your time is valuable and your life is full. You're inviting her into your world, not needing her to complete it. Start by keeping promises to yourself and valuing your own opinion. Practice setting boundaries daily. Each time you build that muscle, she'll notice the powerful, grounded energy it creates. With self-respect firmly established as your foundation, the next crucial layer in building an attractive persona is confidence. It's the unwavering belief in your abilities and worth, a quiet strength that radiates from within. True confidence isn't arrogance. It's not about boasting or putting others down to make yourself feel superior. Instead, it's a quiet certainty, a deep-seated self-acceptance that allows you to navigate the world with grace and poise. It's knowing your strengths and weaknesses and being comfortable in your own skin. Confident men aren't afraid to make mistakes or laugh at themselves. They understand that failure is a part of growth and that humor is a powerful tool for connection. Add purpose. This is the driving force that fuels your actions and gives your life meaning. You don't need to be a CEO or a world-renowned expert. You just need to be passionate about something, anything that ignites your inner fire. Purpose could be your career, a field where you can contribute your skills and talents to something larger than yourself. It could be a hobby, a creative outlet that allows you to express yourself and find joy in the process. Or it could be a cause, volunteering your time and energy to make a difference in the world. Anything that excites you and gives you a reason to get out of bed in the morning. When a woman sees a man driven by purpose, something remarkable happens. She sees someone vibrant and alive, someone who is engaged with the world and has a clear direction in life. A man with purpose is interesting and has a story to tell, a narrative that reflects his values, passions, and experiences. Confidence comes from competence, from mastering skills and developing expertise in areas that matter to you. Get good at something, anything that challenges you and allows you to grow. Explore, try new things, and let your passions guide you. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and discover hidden talents and interests. Your purpose doesn't have to be grand or world-changing. It just has to be yours. Something that resonates with your soul and brings you a sense of fulfillment. When you live with passion, when you embrace your purpose and pursue it with unwavering dedication, you become the main character in your own story, a compelling figure with a unique perspective and a captivating journey. That's the story she'll want to be part of, a narrative filled with excitement, adventure, and the promise of shared growth. Confidence and purpose are magnetic, drawing people towards you and creating a powerful connection that transcends superficial attraction. Now let's talk about kindness and humor. the qualities that seal the deal. Kindness isn't weakness, it's strength and emotional intelligence. It's about how you treat everyone, not just her. Authentic kindness is given freely, without expectation. It creates safety and warmth, making her feel valued. Humor is unforgettable, a sign of intelligence and a positive outlook. It's not about canned jokes, but playful banter and lightheartedness. Laughter builds connection and breaks down barriers. The man who's both kind and funny is dynamic and emotionally versatile. That blend is truly irresistible. So, how do you become the man? The kind of man a high-quality woman will pursue? It's a question many men ask, and the answer isn't as complicated as you might think. It's not about chasing or pretending to be someone you're not. It's not about changing who you are at your core, but becoming your best self, the most authentic and improved version of you. Focus on internal growth, on nurturing your mind, body, and spirit, not external tactics or superficial changes. It's about substance over style. Build a life you're genuinely proud of, filled with passion, with pursuits that ignite your soul, integrity, a strong moral compass guiding your actions, and joy, a genuine appreciation for the simple pleasures in life. When you radiate quiet confidence, a sense of self-assuredness that comes from within, people are naturally drawn to you. They sense your strength and authenticity. You stop seeking validation from others and start living your own adventure, embracing new experiences and challenges. Think of your life as a great party. Make it so amazing and fulfilling that others naturally want to join in on the fun. Authenticity is key. Stand firm by your values. Let them guide your decisions and actions, and genuinely love your life. When you do all of this, the right woman will inevitably notice and genuinely want to be a part of your world, to share in the adventure you've created. Focus on being your best self. The rest, including attracting the right partner, will naturally follow.